Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be looking at Eureka, a easy to use survey app where you can earn up to $6 to cash out for gift cards. So the maximum cash out is $6. So you can use my referral code on the page here, and then it's also in the description below so that you can share it with your friends so that they can earn more as well. It's 60 cents per referral and everything is there. So here are the ways that you can cash out: Visa virtual card, PayPal, Cineplex, and Walmart, and then they also have the Gap. So those are the current gift cards they have right now, but it depends on the country. So here are today's surveys. You have to unlock certain requirements. They have a 1 cent daily poll where you can earn 1 cent for answering a question, and then there are locked surveys. So you have to do more surveys in order to get more money. So there are some surveys up in the red there, or I just clicked the yellow one where it said I have to unlock for doing 2 more surveys. And if you do the red ones here, then it shows the survey, the time it takes, and it just goes through it right away. So you just enter stuff like your age, and then your zip code, your gender, just all the basic scenario stuff. I'm not going to give you my zip code, so I'm not going to enter it in there. So anyways, we're just going to go and select your ethnicity. So me, I'm Filipino mixed with Spanish, so I'm a Filipino. I'm not really Filipino, but anyways, never mind. You can choose what income, what's your highest level of education, employed full-time, and then what career field you're in here, and then also the type of job that you have as well. And you just keep answering the questions as you go along, and you answer them honestly so that way they're not thinking you're some kind of a robot. And then you just choose all the questions properly and do it within the time frame, and then you will get rewarded. So we're just going to finish up here with these few questions. And then we're just going to go next. Then we're going to do the same thing here. Am I registered to vote? Yes. I'm just going to go rented house. And politics, you consider yourself a Democrat. I'm not American, so I'm just going to just pick whatever. And then we're just going to go there. And then we just got paid $1.24. And that adds up to our $2. And I just need about $3 more, or $4 more. And then I'm at the $6 goal. And it's just that easy. And you can cash out with just all of these methods that you see here, but it also may be different in the States, and you can refer other people, 60 cents per referral, and then there's a $1.20 survey on sign up, so when they get started, they can get $1.20 starting up, and you can review it. So thank you very much for watching. That's how you make the money.